Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something incredibly valuable, something we all have, but often take for granted: time. Have you ever noticed how some incredibly talented and intelligent people just do and seem to reach their full potential? They have all the gifts, all the smarts, but something holds them back. More often than not, that something is their relationship with time. They simply don't value it, and because of that, they end up paying a heavy price and watching golden opportunities slip right through their fingers. Let me tell you a story about a young man named Ryan. Ryan was a brilliant student, the kind of person who just got things easily. He was at the top of his class, and everyone, including his teachers and parents, expected great things from him. But Ryan had a weakness. He loved entertainment, video games, social media, binge-watching shows. He'd tell himself, "I'll just play for an hour," but that hour would stretch into 3, then 4. He'd stay up late, promising himself he'd study tomorrow. But tomorrow always came with more distractions. As the final exams approached, the pressure mounted. Ryan tried to cram, pulling all-nighters fueled by energy drinks, but it was too little, too late. The information just wouldn't stick. When the results came out, he was devastated. His grades were a disaster, far below what he was capable of. His dream of getting into a top university was shattered. He was filled with regret and disappointment, not just for himself, but for letting down everyone who believed in him. Seeing how heartbroken he was, Ryan's grandfather sat him down for a talk. He didn't scold him. Instead, he said, "Ryan, your problem isn't a lack of intelligence. You're one of the brightest kids I know. Your problem is you don't understand the nature of time." He pointed to a river flowing nearby. "Look at that water," he said. "It flows continuously, moving forward, and it never, ever comes back. Time is exactly like that river. Every second you waste is a drop of water that has flowed downstream, lost forever. Can't get it back." His grandfather then told him another story about a famous CEO named Adam Reed. Adam had built a massive business empire from scratch. He was a visionary, a genius in his field. But once he achieved immense wealth and success, he grew complacent. He started wasting his days on extravagant parties and luxurious vacations, neglecting his company. He thought his empire was too big to fail. But the market changed, competitors emerged, and because Adam wasn't paying attention, his company crumbled. He lost everything, all because he stopped valuing the time he had. Those stories hit Ryan like a bolt of lightning. He finally understood. It wasn't about being smart, it was about being disciplined. He realized his grandfather was right. He had treated time like an infinite resource, something he could always make up for later, but later had cost him his dream. From that day on, something inside Ryan shifted. He made a conscious decision to change. He deleted the games from his phone, set strict schedules for himself, and dedicated his focus to studying. It wasn't easy at first. The temptation to fall back into old habits was strong. But every time he felt himself slipping, he remembered the image of the river and the story of Adam Reed. Slowly but surely, his efforts paid off. He not only caught up, but excelled. He retook his exams and scored even higher than anyone had expected. He got into his dream university and continued to apply the same principles of time management throughout his studies. Years later, Ryan didn't just graduate with honors. He went on to become a successful entrepreneur himself, building his own company from the ground up. He never forgot the lesson his grandfather taught him. He often told his own employees a simple but powerful mantra: time is the key to success. Once you lose it, you will never get it back. So, think about it. Are you letting your river of time just flow away? Or are you using every drop to move yourself closer to your goals? The choice is yours. Thanks for watching, and if you found this story helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need to hear it. I'll see you in the next video.